at 8:23 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Showers were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles
recon
west
didn't
of
go off
Urbana
for some
Inlet
reason.
to 21 nautical miles west of Whitestone Bridge to 23 nautical miles northwest of Cobram Bay, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Windmill Point, Massawat Ox Reef, Wolf Trap, Rappahannock Range Light, Rappahannock Light, Mob Jack Bay, Irvington, Gwynns Island Reef, Urbana Inlet, Stingray Point, Hole in the Wall, Occohannock Reef, the South, Longs Creek Inlet and Whitestone Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Gonna turn off my radios now.